Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to our trigonometric classes. Our class today is about law of cosine. If you have any question, just send me a text message to this phone number or send me an email for your concern about this to this email. And now, as I said, our class is law of cosine. This is part 1. If you like, just please like and subscribe. Also, I like to mention that the registration for SAT now is open. You can register for SAT. I advise everyone finish Algebra 2 is to do the test. There is a test in August, there is another test in September, October, November. Next time, one of the videos I will explain what you have to do for SAT and how important SAT for your life and for your future life in education, in schools, and how you can save money by scoring high, and how you can apply for more scholarships, how you apply for and some counseling classes. This is going to be in July, but registration for SAT here in my place will be open on after the school end, from June 24 till July 4th. We're going to start our SAT classes after the 4th of July. If you're willing to register, just contact me and we will be more than happy to help you. Okay, let's start. Okay, what I mean by law of cosine. I have here some triangles. And I will start the class. Let us go to the first triangle. As we mentioned before in law of sine, we're gonna have the angles are in uppercase, angle A, angle B, A, and this angle B, and this angle C, and this is C. Angle C here is uppercase. Now, look here, B, this is the opposite side for B, which is B. And let me just give it different color. B. And the upper side here, opposite side for A is A, and this side is C. Now, look, now let us see what I mean by law of cosine. Look at for any triangle, what you need to do. Just let me know. Just tell me. I know you cannot, but for any triangle, solving triangle mean finding what all the sides, finding all the angles, find the area of the triangle. We cannot apply the rule of half base times height because this triangle is not right triangle. Now if B equal to the 10 and A equal to 7, if applying law of sine will not help me, I'm going to show you. A law of sine, if you're going to take, look here, the side 10, if you remember B over sine B, this is the law of sine. Sine B equal C over sine. It's impossible because we know B, we know the value of B, but we don't know the angle B. And this angle here, let us make this angle 30 degrees. If I'm going to take C, look here, if I'm going to take C, I'm going to put the unknown in red, right? C over sine C, the blue mean that we know, right? Sine 30. Wow. Look here. I know B. B, we know what's B. B is 10. We said we're going to put that known in blue and the unknown in this. We cannot solve it because here we have what we have, two unknowns, which is the C and the sign B. You cannot solve this one. Okay. If you try any other option, that will not work with you. If you try any other option, whatever you try, still you're going to have two unknown. Then this low sign will not work with us. I don't need it. I don't need it. Okay. Then I need what? To apply a new law, which is law of cosine. Law of cosine is easy to memorize it. Easy to memorize the law of what? Cosine. Easy to memorize the law of cosine. How? We're looking for C. You see C? C squared. C squared equal. What left from the sides? A and B. Look here. A squared plus B squared. Always minus. Always what? Always the sign minus, and you have always the sign is minus here. Then what I need, C squared equal A squared plus minus 2 always times A times B, the value of B, sine the angle C. You see the angle between the two sides. How I know I'm going to apply law of cosine? If I have two given side and the angle between them. If I have two given side and the angle between them. Cosine what? C. Cosine the angle C. Let us apply our numbers. C squared equal, you need calculator for this. A7, 7 squared is 49. B squared is 100 minus 2. Look here, I'm going to just do steps. A is 7 and this guy 10 and cosine theory. Cosine theory. Don't be in rush. Just add. Take your time adding. It will not take time from you. 149. First you do these. And minus 2 times. Look, it's easy to multiply 7 times 10, 70 times 2, 140. 140. Cosine what? 30. Cosine should be. You go to the calculator. You do. I'm gonna leave 149 to show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 149 minus 149 cosine 30. Make sure that your mode in degrees. Make sure that your mode always in degree. And you do 140 cosine 30. And remember that C squared. 140 cosine 30. 121. 121.243. 24. And remove the C squared. Now subtract 149 minus this number is 27.756. C squared equal 27.76. I'm going to round it to the 76. Now the last step is to find C. To find what? C, square root, take square root for both sides. The answer should be plus minus, but Look here, the answer should be plus and minus. Since we talk about length cannot be negative. Then we're going to take the square root of this number is 5.27. 5.27. Whatever unit it is. Now I know what C. Now I can figure out the rest of the triangles. The rest of the triangles. Okay. I can take it since I know that this C equal 5. How much, guys? We said 5.27. 5.27. Now I can apply law of sine. You can apply law of sine to get the angle B, because I have this guy, right? B, sine B over B equal what? Sine C over C. Remember, B is 10. Then let us find B. Let us find B. Sine, this law of sine, right? Over B, that I know, equal C, we know, sine C, we know. Sine C would be, we know, you're right, which is 30 degrees. Back here, everything is given. Sine C 30. Okay. Sine B, that's what we need, over B is 10, 5 point, still here, 27, and sine 30. Multiply both sides by 10. Multiply both sides by 10 to get rid of this 10 and to leave sine B. Go to the calculator. Go to the calculator, guys. Sine B equal, divide sine 30. Sine 30, enter, divide by 5.27, then multiply the answer by 10, then we divide sine 30, we divide sine 30 by 5.27, and you multiply the result by 10. Okay, the answer will be 0.949. And if you go to the calculator, you run it for 9. Now I told you to get B equals sine inverse. Sine inverse of, this is 9. This is 9 for 9. Let me just, this is 9. This is 9 for 9. Sine inverse of 0.949, which is equal, B equal, go to the calculator, go to the sine inverse, $71.58. Then 71.58, which is angle B, right? 71.548. I'm going to write it here. 71, because I need it here. 71.58. 71.58. Now, since I know this angle and this angle, guys, you remember what I said before? Since I know what this angle, it's easy to find the third angle by subtracting the sum of these two angles from 180. Why? Because the sum of the angle in any triangle is 180, which is, you can do here 180 to find A equal minus the sum of these two guys, 30 plus 71.58. Okay, easy. 80 minus, add these two, subtract it from 80, 30, 78.42. 78.42. The angle A. 70, right? 5 A square C square. Reads me back. Make sure everything is okay. 7 A 71. Let me just back here a little bit. See here. Confirm my answer. Sine 30 over. Just I need to do something quick, guys. Sine 30. Good. Okay. Then 70 how much? Okay. 71. A equal 71, 78, 42. Okay. 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 Then, this is the first example. Let us go to the second example. Now, here's the same thing. A, okay, A, B, C. Now, this side C, this side A, and this side B, what we're looking for, the blue. Okay, if A equal, this given, if A equal 12, you can, okay, and C equal to 8, and the angle between them, then since I have, as I told you, 37 degree, since I have the angle between two sides, then I have to apply law of cosine. Which side we need to find? The B. Right? What we have to do, look here, B square equal. Because we have B. Then what we have? A square. You see, it's easy to memorize. Minus, right? 2, always 2, and minus. This. Cosine, let me just make it small. Okay, I can move it a little bit to the edge. It's easy to sorry. Have a space for the side. I'm sorry, guys. A how much? AB, AC I mean, sine B, cosine B, cosine B. Okay, B square, A square, C square, B square, A square, C square, minus 2 always, A and C, cosine B. Apply the numbers. B square equal A square how much? You can do it. I'm going to do 2 steps. 12 square 8 square minus 2, and my guys 1, 2 cosine 1, 2, which is 12 and what? 8 cosine 37. Good. Okay. Use your calculator. B square equal 12 square 144 64 minus 2 multiply 12 times 8 80 96. You can use your calculator. Cosine 37. Cosine what? Cosine 37. Now use your calculator. I'm going to add these two first. Then I'm going to use my calculator for what? 144, 208. I think so. If you add it, 140, 60, 200. 4 and 4 is 8. Now, for the second part, I'm going to use my calculator to multiply 2 times 96 times cosine 37. 2 times 96 times cosine 37. All this equal 153.34. 153.34. Okay. Okay. Is that clear? Now the last step is b square. Still we'll have b square and b square equal. I'm gonna have all this guy 208 minus that number 54.662. I'm rounding my numbers. Check the square root, check the square root. This gives you b. I split b equal 54 square root of the 7.339. Now I have the second side, the last side of the triangle, 7.39, 7.39. What I have to do now, apply law of what? Sine. Apply law of sine for this triangle. Look, we use, then to find the rest of the angles, it's easy to use what? Law of sine. Which angle I need to get? A, angle A. If I know one of them, I'm gonna know the other by adding what them and subtract them from 180. Okay, I'm gonna get this angle. Then I need sine A in this side. Sine A. Can I do it here? Here. Okay, I'm gonna do it here because I have all my number. Sine A. That's what I need. Over A, because I know what's A in blue. Equal, which you need sine B. We know what's B now, and over B. Now you multiply. I'm gonna multiply it quick by get my equation ready. Okay, I'm gonna put my numbers. Okay, I don't. Okay, here sine A, which is what I need. Over B, how much B, guys? 7.39. Sine B, sine 37. Oh, I'm sorry, sine A is 12. A is 12, sorry guys. Maybe yes. Sine B is 37. Over again sine A, which what we want, over A 12, sine B sine 37 over 7.39. Now sine A right? A here. Now sine A equal, you multiply sine 37, both side by 12, sine 37 over 7.39 times 12. Why times 12? Because we're going to multiply both sides by 12. I'm going to do this. And here, multiply by 12, and here multiply by what? 12. To cancel this 12. Go to the calculator. Sine 37 divide by 7.39 sine divide by 7.39 times 12.97. Point what? 977. Now we need A. We need A, right? A equal sine inverse of 0.977. And this you have to use the calculator. Sine inverse of this angle, is 77.75. Then A equal 77.75. Then A 77 point, how much? 75. Now look this angle. What you have to do for this angle on this side here, 180. I'm sorry, here. Let's do it here. 180 minus, but this triangle I'm going to do it later on, next class. Okay, 37 plus 77.75. This for angle which one? C. Then C equal 180 minus 37 minus 77.75. 180 minus 37 minus just 1 second. 180 minus 37 minus 77.75, 65.25. Then we have all the sides, we have all the angles. Next time I will show you how we can find the area using law of cosine. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and like.